Shanghai Anshion Compressors, as a Chinese air compressor manufacturer, has more than 20 years of experience in the air compressor industry, has a mature air compressor product development, production system. We have the mature air compressor technology, can be customized according to customer needs. Fixed speed screw air compressor is a tool for energy conversion, which mainly converts mechanical energy into gas pressure energy. It has the advantages of energy saving and high efficiency. Therefore, it is also widely used in wood furniture, general parts manufacturing, metallurgical casting, metal processing, food, industrial machinery, painting, etc.